that dog is sleeping hard. She doesn't care what kind of work is going on. It's about 8:30 a.m. on a Thursday morning. I forget what date, but y'all know we're supposed to be sheltered in place. As you can see, a lot of folks have left because they turned off the water here at long-term visitors area, and they're taking away the garbage, and there's no dump, and they want to charge you $75 for the next 90 days, I think, for the summer. And we're like, I don't think so, not for no amenities. So we're going down to, I forget what the place is called, but it's a 14-day free area. So we're all going to be there. See, Deb and Jim were right back there, and they left to go get us all a spot. And Shirley's on the other side of us, and the reason I'm standing here is because the wind is blowing, and y'all wouldn't be able to hear me talk if I was over there. Of course, you can hear the truck running. We're ready to go. So we're going over to High Jolly. That's what it's called, High Jolly. I know they have these names like High Jolly and Tyson Wells and Roadrunner. We're going to High Jolly. We've been there before. Pretty nice area. We have great Wi-Fi there. Plus, you get TV, and it's closer to town. Woo woo. So yeah, supposedly a ranger is going to come around and tell all these folks that they have to pay $75 to stay here. So hopefully everybody will find them a spot to shelter in place, as our president and governor said so here in Arizona. But we are all safe and well, and we hope all of y'all are too. So we'll see you at High Jolly. Woo! There's the rangers. They're sitting there waiting to warn people.
I heard that they're gonna have to pay a fee.
Yep. Sorry, the road is a little bumpy. Oh, they got 3 of them here today.
They'll take different sections.
Oh yeah. Bye y'all. We ain't paying no $75. The winter folks have moved on. Boy. Day before yesterday, there was a lot of people here. Now look. Yep, the road is still rough. There were a lot of folks here.
Yeah.
Still more than you would think, though.
Well, if it wasn't for this movement, travel restrictions and all, I'm sure a lot of people just sitting here waiting it out.
Yeah.
Because almost half the camping areas in the country are shut down. Campgrounds, everything. Throw it all in a ball. A lot of forest campgrounds are shut down. 48%, something like that.
Right.
Somebody had said, which to me was stupid.
Well, especially since we're ordered to shelter in place.
And I guess they forgot about RVers that are full time.
Right.
Like, where you gonna go?
Exactly. Exactly. Well.
I don't know. Some of the agencies don't communicate to each other very well.
No. The right hand doesn't know what the left hand is doing.
And we've seen that with this. But
Many things.
Do a lot of reviews. That camera came was crap.
Okay, you're done. Hey y'all. We're sitting at High Jolly. And I'm sitting here with my friend. We're what? We're trying to get our dead cats on our phone. And I put mine on. And we shall see if this works or not. I feel like I got something fuzzy on my phone. So it's a little windy, but I have the dead cat on the phone. and we're hoping that it works out well. We're here at High Jolly, and there are a lot of people here.
And some of
That's true. Some of them are not friendly, but most of them are. It looks like we don't have very many around us, but behind me there are a lot of people. And down at the end, starting out that way, there's a lot down there, which surprises us. But I guess those folks didn't want to be up near the highway here.
I think quite a few came in today, actually, because I don't think there was that many earlier today.
Lots came from the long-term visitors area because they wanted to charge us all $75 for nothing. Not doing that. Are you gonna do that, Shirley?
No, I'm not going to do that. This is free, perfectly free. And they offer the same services here.
Exactly. Nothing.
So, I'll take free.
And me too.